Hello everyone and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got, people. I've got a nail mail haul going on here from Rossi. You guys, there was an awesome sale. If you will have a look, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of powders that have, how many? 6 powders in them? Oh my gosh, you guys. And I also got a temperature changing. Just so you guys know, I only paid 20 euros for each of these sets. I think maybe I paid 25 euros for one of them. But there was an awesome sale going on Rossi.de, which is the Germany site. So let's open them up. This is one thing that I do not necessarily love about Rossi. They do lots and lots of packaging, and I really think it's kind of unnecessary. So I'm probably going to take all the plastic off of these, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after I take the plastic off. Let's start with this one. I'm pretty sure this one was actually like 11 euros, a little bit more expensive. This was the temperature changing one, so I'm pretty excited about that one. It is called Phoenix, yes. So it is supposed to go from like a light red to a dark red. Once again, I'm not super keen on their packaging. There's a lot of it, but this looks really awesome, and I'm super hopeful about how it works. I also wanted to show you very quickly, so I grabbed a different Rossi that I have. So this one was from the American site. This is from the Germany site. This one says 18 grams and 0.6 ounces. This says 28 grams and 10 ounces. So, I mean, does that mean they're filling them fuller here in Germany? I don't know, but the things look exactly the same. So, very interessante, I think. All right, let's check out the other one. I'm assuming this one is just one of the sets that I got. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Oh, okay, more packaging. Silly me, silly me. Okay, so that we have inside of a box, inside of a box, inside of a box, inside of a box, we have another Glam box, and this is gonna have our 6 powders inside of it. So I'm gonna take the plastic off of this, and then we'll open the box. The only thing that's gonna tell me what this box is actually done is 13. So I did compare the names of the different kits on the American site and the Germany site, and they look to be the same. So it's such a surprise. Boxes inside, literally boxes inside of boxes inside of boxes inside of plastic. Okay, I'm gonna have a look at the colors, and then I'm gonna try to guess which one, which of the kits it is. I think I've got it. I think this is the the Free and Wild Spirit. Oh, you know what? I thought this was like golden, but it's got like hollow golden in it. Ooh, kind of excited about that. Okay, so that's our first 6. I guess, you know what, let's open and see what the names are too. I'll open these and then I'll show you the names. I hope I have identified the Free and Wild Spirit correctly. And if that's the case, then I got Endless Purple, En Vogue, Feeling Cozy, Margarita, Lost in Lavender, and Gold Digger. Get it? Super excited. Okay, these are great and super fun. Let's go on to the next one. I'm just gonna go ahead and take all of these out of their cardboard boxes and out of the plastic wrap before I show you guys anymore. So inside of each box was a little thank you card and a code for some money off. So I'm not gonna show you my code, but I will say it's $10 off my next purchase. And then 2 of them had this nail handbook in it. So application and removal guide. So I'm kind of excited to read through that, although I'm pretty well versed in Rossi's. It looks like it's just a bunch of different, okay, so maybe it's a bunch of different languages, but a couple of pages. So I will read through that and kind of see what it says. All right, and let's open up box number 25 next. Okay, let's see all the pretty colors. La, 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 la. And I might have some repeats. They're kind of close. Let's open these up. And with the magic of camera, let me get rid of these boxes. I do see why they do lots of layers, because I can feel on some of them that the powders have leaked out and they're kind of gritty. So I mean, I get it, but still it's a lot. Okay, we have Harmony and Amethyst, To Infinity and Beyond, South Beach, San Francisco, and Oh Silent Night. Okay, I think this one is I Pull the Strings. So I believe that's this one right here. Okay, and on to the next one. It's box number 27. Let the dip powders roll. Whee! Okay, and once again, let's get these babies situated. And let's remove some boxes. There are some fun colors in this one. I believe this is Make Some Waves. This one right here, I believe. And we have colors Pink Mood, Hibiscus, looks really pretty. Minty, these are very pastel-y, love them. Sun, Sea, and Sand, Ocean Drive, and Snow White. Kind of excited. That other white looked like a shimmery one. This looks like a more not shimmery, so I'm excited about that. Ah, one more to go. This is box number 6. I got more purple, y'all. I got a whole lot of colors probably repeated, but I don't know if any are actually repeated, but I got so excited to choke myself. It's really pretty. Okay, let's see. So this would then have to be just Teasin. All right, let's check out those colors. Let me get rid of these boxes. Well, I knew I was bound to get one as a repeat, so let's find out which one it is. So this one, this kit, the Just Teasin kit has So Glamorous, Just Married, Modern Muse, Made My Day, Lost in Lavender, my repeat, and Twinkle Twinkle. So this looks like a really pretty sparkly. I'm kind of excited. I'm really excited about So Glamorous. My bright colors, my poppy colors, I love those. Spring is coming right around the corner, so I will be swatching these, and I'll show you guys what these look like swatched, because as you know, they never look the same. So I'll do that later, and I will post that for you right now. I did want to share with you really quickly, the Phoenix color was 11 euros. I only paid 25 euros for one of them, and that was the Free and Wild, and the rest of them I paid 20 euros, you guys. That's only like €3, a little over 3 euros per vial, which, my goodness. And so that's like a little over $4 for one of these, when normally the one I purchased on its own was 11 euros. So I got an excellente deal this time, y'all. Woohoo! I also wanted to give you guys a quick showing of, this is the one I ordered from the American site in the kits, and it has the 18 grams and the 0.6 ounces. This is the one I ordered on the European, the Germany site, and that has 28 grams and 10 ounces. So if I was like, wow, they're the same freaking bottle. Like, are they really different amounts of stuff inside? The only thing I've done with this one is the swatch. So that's it. And you can see, and then I open these ones that I just received. Oh, if I can get it open. I've only done the swatch with it. Look how much more full they are. Oh, I don't know, can you guys see that? It is really full compared to the other one. So yes, there's more in the jar. Woohoo! The first set I'm going to talk about is I Pull the Strings. That's this set right here. And honestly, I really like the colors. This one is Honeymoon. No, Harmony. Harmony. I'm not sure when I'm ever going to use that, but I probably will. I love this mauve-y. This is Amethyst. This one, this gray color, is To Infinity and Beyond. This yellow that I love, it's South Beach. And this one is it's a beautiful, I love this one. This is San Francisco. It's almost like a fire engine red, but it doesn't really look like that in here. And then finally, Oh Silent Night. I love this one. It's got a shimmer, and I'm not sure if it's picking up, but it's got, like, somebody said yesterday it was a Cinderella blue. That's a great way to describe it, because it's got a shimmer in it, and it's really, really pretty. So this is the set I Pull the Strings. Okay, on to the next set. Now we're gonna go over the Make Some Waves set. So it looked like they were all very bright, very fun colors, and these colors are very pastel. They're perfect. Easter's coming up. They're absolutely perfect for Easter, so I'm super excited about them. And this yellow, I believe it has a tiny little bit of shimmer in it. Sea, sun, sea, and sand. This is a really pretty yellow. And this nice hibiscus pink color, this one is Snow White, so it's just white, but it's just beautiful. Love this color. This is Minty. Very, very pretty. And then another Pink Mood. And then finally, Ocean Drive is our little pastel blue there. So this is such a cute set called Make Some Waves. The next set is the one I spent the most on. This is the Free and Wild Spirit set. It was 25 euros on sale, so I spent a little over 4 euros, about $5 per vial for this one. And I mean, I don't love it as much as I thought I would, but there are some interesting colors in here. So this is a color I probably won't use. It's very nudie. This one's Feeling Cozy. This one, I can't decide if I love it or not yet. It's got hollow flakes in it, but the color is more like a bronzy kind of gold. And this one is called Gold Digger. Kind of fun. This is Lost in Lavender. Nice, vibrant purple. And this shockingly beautiful pink, I do love this one, is called Margarita. How appropriate and fun. I know what you're thinking. This looks like super, super like either dark, dark navy blue or maybe black or dark, dark gray. It's not. It's purple. It's Endless Purple. And this is only 2 coats. So it was a really super, super dark purple. And this color I am absolutely in love with. This is En Vogue. This is so pretty. I love this color. So this is our set called Free and Wild Spirit. The last set is my favorite out of all the sets, and that's called Just Teasin. It's so, so pretty. I love all of these colors, all of them. I know I'm going to use all of them. I'll save my very favorite for last. So the first one is called Just Married. It's a beautiful nude color, kind of mauve-y looking, but a little bit more on the nude side. And then we've got So Glamorous. This is a gorgeous, like black with hollow flaky glitters in it. I don't even think the camera is picking it up. You know what? I don't know that they're hollow. They appeared hollow last night. So there's a little bit of color shift in them, but it's really, really pretty. And Made My Day is a nice, pretty kind of gray color, like a light gray. And then this one was a repeat for me. This is Lost in Lavender, so I have 2 of the Lost in Lavender now. Thankfully, I only had 1 repeat. You know, it doesn't say on the site what the names are, so you're kind of shooting in the dark. This one, Modern Muse, it reminds me of that Margarita color, but it's a little bit different, so I'll give you a comparison. Here's the Margarita. It's a little bit darker than that. It's a really, really pretty color, and I love it. It's so vibrant. Modern Muse. My absolute favorite color is this one, and it's called Twinkle Twinkle. I bet a lot of people use this. It's got the holographic flakies in it. It is more see-through. It's more see-through and translucent, but it's super pretty. You can use it as a topper for something. It's gorgeous. The colors are just out of this world. Okay, and there's one more I have to show you. Okay, so this is the set called Just Teasin. It was my absolute favorite, so I would highly recommend this one. On to my last the last color I have to show you is called Phoenix, and it's supposed to be a temperature changing, and you guys, it actually changes temperatures. So this is the cold, and this is the warm. I had to put it on the heater for a little bit to change it because it's so cold in here. But it really does change its temperature, and you can see it's kind of changing back right now because it's so cold in here. So I can't wait to try this out. First of all, I love the color. I think this really pretty lighter red going into this darker rusty red is so, so pretty, and it's almost completely back to cold, freezing cold. This is really awesome. I thought it was super awesome. I can't wait to try it, and it really works. So I am happy. By the way, this one was 10 euros and 99 cents. So you can see if a normal bottle is 11 euros, what a great deal I got on those other bottles. Okay, peeps, you certainly can see that I got a whole bunch of dip powders. I got 25 dip powders, so I'd definitely say this is a nail mail haul, baby. I am super happy with everything that I got. I'm super happy with the price I paid, and thank you, Rossi, for having such amazing sales. People, I used to have a code with them, but I think they discontinued it, so you can try the code Groove Mama, but it may not work. And I've been very happy with Rossi dip powders so far. You know, their dip liquids gave me the dip flu, but the dip powders have been excellent so far, so I'm very, very happy with them. People, I hope that you like this video. If you do, subscribe, hit the like button. That would be amazeballs. Follow me on Instagram. That would be even better, at Groove Mama. And until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!